This video is going to be a 10-minute method and you will learn how to make $385 to $1,000 per day by copying this 10-minute system. And you can do it even if you are a complete beginner and you have zero experience of making money online. And you can do it from anywhere in the world with or without a website. It is possible if you don't have a mailing list, and it's possible if you don't have a social media following and you are starting today. If this sounds good, let us begin. But before that, let me show you money. What you see here is $105,193 in passive affiliate commission. Again, this is going to be a simple copy-paste method, and I am here to wow you with the method I'm about to share with you. It's going to be step by step, super simple, and the tools we are going to use are completely free to start. But before that, let me admit the truth. Unlike other YouTubers who tell you many different methods, but they themselves make money from videos, we tell you that we make money from videos. But this is the only channel where I show my face on the camera and microphone, and I have 20 plus other channels, and I have a plan to make 200 plus channels on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and make money from everywhere. And all those channels are run by my artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software that makes videos using image, links, and text. Epic is free to start from a YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. Now, wait. Mosh, isn't this video is about copying and pasting? Why are you talking about making videos? Stay with me, because Epic has artificial intelligence and it takes 3 to 5 minutes of your time to copy, paste, and make money making videos. But I will wow you what you can copy paste to actually make money. So let me show you how Epic works and make money in 3 to 5 minutes of work. Quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes this script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit, and in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another side. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready story in the background. This is how we make videos for 20 plus channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build that gets us thousands of clicks. So in order to make videos about what people are looking for, we go to our favorite keyword research tool, Ubersuggest, and search for crazy simple keywords that will drive us traffic. For example, I found tips searching Google. This key phrase has 1,900 monthly searches, which means 1,900 people every single month search for tips searching Google. So while looking for these articles, what they are talking about, what I can make videos about by copying and pasting, of course, I found this website called PC Mag. PC Mag is an authority website. It's approximately a $25 million to $50 million per year company, and the total visitors is 22 million monthly. And here is the kicker. When I was on this website, this page showed up, and this is nothing but giving away a free copy of PC Mag digital edition, which is a PDF or a digital format of the website, and they're asking for my email address. And I thought I should tell you about this page because this is the most important page on this website. Through this page, they collect email addresses of users or readers like you and me. Then they send them follow-up emails, building relationships, and calling the visitors back to their websites through emails. This is called opt-in page or opt-in form. This should be the first page of any website. Otherwise, you are leaving money on the table. Now, you might hate this kind of opt-in form or opt-in page because it's related to email marketing and it looks quite complex method, but there is a solution. In order to shortcut this process, we made our own software, Cashzipresso and Elite. Links are in the description. You can go grab it for free. These softwares turn other people's websites and PDF documents into an opt-in page. And that PDF also becomes the lead magnet. So you give away a PDF document, people click on it, they try to access it, they have to sign up in order to access. When they sign up using their email address, they open the document and you build a list of subscribers. This way we generate thousands of email subscribers every single month. It's free to start, link is in the description, go start today. The next thing you do, just like these people, make 1 minute short videos. You can make long videos, of course, but make short videos. These shorts get millions of views and YouTube help them get more views because to make shorts popular and compete with TikTok and Instagram, YouTube promote the shorts videos and shorts creators. In your video, mention your website link or the freebie that you are giving away using Cashzipresso link just like this. People will click your link or find your link from the description, in the first comment and in the bio, and they will sign up to your mailing list. Then email them about your next video, call them back to your videos. This way you generate more views. YouTube will also keep sending you more views. And the same videos you can use for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. How cool is that? So the summary is, look for simple stuff that people are looking for. Make simple videos using epic, informative videos, tips and tricks videos. Publish the short videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and get views. In your videos, mention your Cashzipresso or Elite link, giving away something free, and build mailing list. Now here comes the secret I was hiding. Let us disclose, and you see here dollars per hop. This is the average income per click we generate on our affiliate links. This will increase when you send valuable emails and build relationships with your email subscribers. They will love you for your gesture, for your helpful manner, and they will love to click your affiliate link and buy from you or do whatever you ask them to do. And the more dollars per hop it becomes, the more money you make from the clicks you generate from your videos. I hope this all makes sense now. It starts with your interest of helping others with information they're looking for. And in all cases, these informations are 100% free. They are already on Google and YouTube. You just have to put them together using Epic and make simple videos, publish on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Ask your viewers to get your freebie that you made using CashGPresso. All the links are in the description. They're all free to start. And build your email list without using opt-in form or website. Mail them on daily basis about your next video, your next content that you are making using 3 to 5 minutes of your time. They will love you, they will follow you, and they will buy from you more and more. This will increase the dollars per hop, and you will make more and more money from the hops you generate or clicks you generate from your videos, and you make more money. That is it, super simple. Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years. Learn the same, and you can participate in this noble mission by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, social media walls like Facebook and Twitter walls, and sharing this valuable information with your friends and family. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money online, and hundreds of thousands of other people are making money online, and you can do it too. Start today. All the links are in the description. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.